In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicate contacts in Xero. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes to complete. By the end of this video, you'll have a cleaner, more efficient list of contacts, helping you maintain more precise data management. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Xero accounting software account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. If you haven't already bookmarked it, simply search for Xero login in your preferred search engine and it should come up right away. Once you're on the login page, click where it says login. Next, you'll need to enter your email and password. These are the credentials you set up when you created your Xero account. Be sure your caps lock isn't on if you're struggling with typing your password correctly. After entering your details, click login once more to access your Xero dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate over to your dashboard, which is essentially your home base in Xero. This is where you'll find all your financial insights and controls. From the dashboard, locate and click on Contacts. This is where all your current contacts, including any duplicates, are housed. Now that you're in the Contacts section, look for all contacts. Clicking here will give you a list of every contact in your database. This is a great time to preview your list and note any duplicates you may have. The next step is to search for a duplicate contact. Utilize the search bar to quickly find duplicates by typing in the contact's name. Xero's search feature is quite handy for locating exactly what you need without scanning through the entire list manually. After identifying any duplicates, go ahead and select them. You'll usually do this by clicking checkboxes next to each contact that looks duplicated. With your duplicate selected, find the Merge button. Click on it to begin the process of merging these duplicate contacts into one. Before finishing up, you'll need to type in the name of the primary contact, the one you wish to keep as the main record. This is an essential step because it dictates how the final merged contact will appear in your records. Finally, with your main contact selected and all details confirmed, click on Merge again to finalize. Don't forget to verify your choice by clicking Confirm Merge. This final step ensures all contact data is consolidated under the main contact you chose, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, your contact list is much cleaner with duplicates nicely consolidated. Keeping your contacts well organized helps maintain accuracy in your accounting records and ensures efficient communication with clients. Thank you for following along, and I hope this video has helped streamline your Xero experience.